Hey guys, H&S Motorsports here again with the kit that everybody's been waiting for their 6.7 Ford Power Stroke. Everybody's probably familiar with our upper fuel filter conversion kits that we've already have out, but we have a kit now that will relocate the filter to underneath the truck. True plug and play kit, easy half-hour installation, proprietary fitting with a filter machined into it that still filters your injector line as well once you install the bypass block and bypass the filter up there. You don't have to deal with the quick connects anymore. You simply get into the truck, unscrew the filter, screw a new one on, you're done. Like I said, all plug and play, high quality parts. You can get this stuff at hs-motorsports.com or from one of our dealers. Let's put it on.
Locate both of the HSM billet fuel distribution blocks, all the HSM fittings, mounting bracket, and mounting bolts. Apply grease or Vaseline onto all the O-rings on each fitting. Assemble fittings as shown into the HSM billet fuel blocks and tighten fittings. Install mounting bracket on the HSM fuel distribution block as shown with hardware and tighten hardware. Moving to your vehicle, locate upper fuel filter. Unlock and release each one of the fuel quick connects on the fuel filter. Being careful not to spill the fuel, remove the fuel filter from the vehicle. Smash OEM fuel filter as shown in Office Space video with a bat. Grab the assembled HSM fuel bypass distribution block, install it into factory fuel filter location. Reconnect all your factory fuel lines and lock quick connects back into place. Locate HSM fuel injector return line and supplied fittings. Assemble on bench as shown. Install HSM fuel injector return line as shown into vehicle, tighten all fittings, and lock quick connect. Moving underneath the vehicle, locate the transmission shift cable bracket bolted to the side of the transmission on the driver's side. Remove the two factory bolts. Mount HSM fuel filter assembly block onto the side of the transmission underneath the shift cable bracket or above it, depending on the year of the vehicle, whichever application works. Reinstall transmission shift cable, factory bolts, and tighten to 18 foot-pounds. Grab a drain pan or something to drain fuel in. Locate the fuel feed line back in front of the transfer case, just above the front drive shaft. Unclip and unlock factory fuel line and disconnect fuel line as shown. Locate HSM fuel line assemblies. The fuel line with the male quick connect will go into the female side of the factory fuel line. This line will run to the fitting closest to the transmission on your HSM fuel filter block assembly. The other HSM fuel line will connect to the male side of the factory fuel system. Run this line to the fitting furthest away from the transmission on your HSM fuel filter block assembly. Route fuel lines as shown or as preferred so they are out of the way, not touching or rubbing on anything. Use zip ties to secure fuel lines. Install provided fuel filter. Now it is time to prime the system. Cycle the engine key without starting the engine 3 to 6 times to prime the system. Check the system everywhere on all installed parts for proper installation and no leaks. You've now made your fuel filter changes and maintenance much easier. Thank you for installing and purchasing H&S Motorsports products. Enjoy your factory fuel filter relocation kit.